Okay, so this is our 83A guided class practice. So you should be on page 17, and it should say 83A at the top. All right, and we should be ready. For your name, it says to draw a line segment for your name. Remember, a line segment is a piece of a line. A real mathematical line has arrows at the end and goes on forever. But this is a line segment. So we draw a line from dot to dot. Ooh, it's not a very good line. We'll do that one. And I'll make the dots a little bigger so you can see them. And then we will write our names in cursive on the line. Miss Child. Okay, and the date, which is March 19th, 2020. Don't forget to put your comma after the date, March 19th, and before the year, 2020. The day of the week is Thursday. THURSDAY. If you need to pause the video now to copy that down, please do so. Okay, number 1. Write the number 75 3 more times. How many digits are on the line? So, let's write this number 75 3 more times after we trace. 7, 5, 7. If you're scared about writing, if you have a tendency to write your 5s backwards, remember body, belly, hat. 7, body, belly, hat. So it asks how many digits are on the line. A digit is one number. 75 is a number, but 7 and 5 are digits. So let's count how many digits are on the line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 digits are on the line. So we're going to put a little 8 up there. And now it asks us to tally that. Remember, the 5th tally mark is the one that closes the door. You do not need 5 tally marks and then close it with the 6th. We do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, closes the door. Notice I have 1, 2, 3, 4 straight lines, and then 5 closes the door. So I've got 5 tallies. How many more do I need to make 8? 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's move on to number 2. 8 children used red crayons, and 10 children used green crayons. Show on the graph how many children used each color. I'm going to read that again. 8 children used red crayons, and 10 children used green crayons. Show on the graph how many children used each color. 8 used red, 10 used green. You can use your pencil to color, or you can use a crayon. So 8 used red. So should I color 7 here? How many should I color? 8. Good. And I'm going to color them one at a time, just so I'm careful not to make mistakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, now 10 children used green crayons. So I'm going to shade 10 squares here. Again, doing one at a time, so I'm careful not to make mistakes. That's 2. That's 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. How many more children used green than used red? So we can say, hey, these 2 are empty, and that's what it would make to equal green. So 2 more children used green. Or we could take the big number minus the small number and find the difference. That's subtraction. So 10 minus 8 equals 2. How many more children used green than used red? 2. Okay, number 3 has a big word in it, and I want you to listen to this word's definition. Color the congruent triangles red. I'm going to say that again. Color the congruent triangles red. It tells us what congruent means right here. Congruent triangles are the same size and shape. Let's say that again. Congruent triangles are the same size and shape. So, which 2 triangles are the same? These? These. How about these? Yes, these 2 triangles are the same. So we are going to color them red because we should color the congruent triangles red. And congruent means that they are the same shape and size. Okay. If you need to pause it, you may, and then press play when you're ready. Number 4. Draw tally marks to show 25. Now we know how to count by 5s, so let's count by 5s as we do our tally marks so we make sure that we get 25 tallies. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, closes the door. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, closes the door. That's 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, closes the door. 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, closes the door. 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, closes the door. 25. Let's double check. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 25 tally marks. Because we have 5 groups of 5, which makes 25. Number 5. There are 8 sneakers in the closet. Draw the sneakers. So, there's 8 sneakers in the closet. Let's draw those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Obviously, I'm not drawing sneakers very well. I just did a little leg and a foot. Circle the pairs. Can you remember what a pear is? Not like the fruit. A pair is a set of 2. So, we're going to circle these in sets of 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many pairs of sneakers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pairs of sneakers. Now for this bottom part, I'm going to ask you to pause it. Pause the video. Try and do these yourself. And then when you press play, I'll write in the answers so you can check. Okay? Remember, you are responsible for your learning. I cannot put it in your head for you. So be honest, pause the video, do the problems, and then check. All right? I'm going to give you time to pause. Okay, I'm glad you paused. If you didn't pause, now's your chance. Be honest. 8 plus 7. We can think about this as 7 plus 7. Since 8 is 1 more than 7, we know that 7 plus 7 is 14 because we know our doubles. So 8 plus 7 must be 15. 6 plus 5. We can think about this as 5 plus 5 and add 1 more, and that 5 plus 5 is 10 plus 1 more, 11. 3 plus 4. We can think about it as 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 1 more, 7. 8 plus 9. We can think about it as 8 plus 8. 8 plus 8 is 16 plus 1 more, 17. Now we have subtraction. I hope you realized that. I hope you saw that these were all addition and these are all subtraction. 9 minus 9, 0. 3 minus 1, 2. 10 minus 2, 8. 5 minus 0, 5. And 5 minus 2 is 3. Check your answers. Make sure you got them all correct. Sorry, it's kind of hard to see. I think my tripod messed up. But check your answers. Make sure you got them right. And then try and do the next page all by yourself. Good luck.